Imagine a world where the voices of our ancient ancestors, the Neanderthals, echo through time. It's a fascinating mystery, isn't it? We often picture them as grunting, primitive beings, but the truth might be far more intriguing. Unveiling the Neanderthal voice, a complex story. The enigma of Neanderthal speech has captivated many, and it's a topic that deserves a deeper dive. While we might not have all the answers, recent scientific explorations offer a glimpse into their potential linguistic capabilities. The high-pitched voice theory, a viral sensation. You might have stumbled upon the viral BBC clip, Neanderthal, the Rebirth, which sparked a wave of curiosity. Vocal coach Patsy Rodenberg's experiment using a 3D Neanderthal vocal tract model resulted in a unique, high-pitched shriek. This interpretation, though intriguing, is just one piece of the puzzle. Beyond the grunts, a smarter Neanderthal. The outdated stereotype of Neanderthals as brutish cavemen is being challenged by a wealth of evidence. It's becoming clear that they were highly intelligent, culturally rich, and emotionally nuanced, much like us. Their cognitive abilities and brain size suggest they had the capacity for complex language. The science of Neanderthal speech. In 2021, anthropologists made a groundbreaking discovery. By digitally reconstructing Neanderthal skull bones, they found evidence of speech perception and production capabilities. With a hearing range similar to modern humans, it's likely Neanderthals had a sophisticated communication system. A multidisciplinary perspective. Scholars are taking a holistic approach, considering anatomy, genetics, cognition, culture, and environment. This comprehensive view leads to a consensus. Neanderthal language, while unique, could have resembled modern human speech, perhaps with simpler syntax and fewer functional categories. The linguistic perspective, a preprint paper. Antonio Benitez Barraco, a linguist, suggests that Neanderthal languages were structurally less complex and functionally less flexible compared to modern languages. He speculates they might have had a reduced number of sounds and a simpler syntax. The evolution of language, a mysterious timeline. The origins of complex language remain shrouded in mystery. Estimates vary widely, from as recent as 50,000 years ago to as early as 2 million years ago, around the evolution of the Homo genus. Neanderthals existed within this time frame, leaving open the possibility that they lived in a world without language as we know it. The legacy of Neanderthal communication. Regardless of the specifics, it's evident that Neanderthals were not silent observers, but active participants in a vibrant social and cultural landscape. Their voices, whether high-pitched or grammatically simple, carried the weight of their rich experiences, emotions, and connections. Thoughts to ponder. As we continue to unravel the mysteries of our ancient cousins, what are your thoughts on the evolution of language? Do you think Neanderthal speech was more similar to modern languages than we realize? Share your insights and let's spark a discussion in the comments.